Let's learn how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in hexadecimal, base 16. Hexadecimal uses digits 0 to 9 and letters A-F to represent values 10 to 15. Understanding hexadecimal, digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, letters A, 10, B, 11, C, 12, D, 13, E, 14, F, 15. Let's go through each operation with examples. 1. Hexadecimal addition concept. Add each digit column from right to left, just like decimal addition. If the sum in a column is 16 or greater, carry over to the next column to the left. Example 1 to 3a plus 25. 3a, 25. Rightmost column, a plus 5. A is 10 in decimal. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15 in hexadecimal is F. 3a, 25. F, left column, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 in hexadecimal is 5. 3a, 25. 5f, result. 3a plus 25 equals 5f. Example 2 to 7, b plus 4c. 7b, 4c. Rightmost column, b plus c versus b is 11, c is 12. 11 plus 12 equals 23. Since 23 is greater than 15, we need to carry over. How many times does 16 go into 23? Once. 1 times 16 equals 16. Remainder, 23 minus 16 equals 7. So b plus c equals 1, remainder 7. Write down 7 and carry over 1. 7b, 4c, 7, left column, 1 plus 7 plus 4. Remember the carry over 1. 1 plus 7 plus 4 equals 12. 12 in hexadecimal is c. 7b, 4c, c7, result. 7b plus 4c equals c7. 2. Hexadecimal subtraction concept. Subtract each digit column from right to left. If you need to borrow 16 from the next column to the left, since it's base 16. Example 1 to 5f, 25. 5f, 25. Rightmost column, f5. F is 15. 15 minus 5 equals 10. 10 in hexadecimal is A. 5f, 25. Left column, 5 to 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 3 in hexadecimal is 3. 5f, 25. 3a, result. 5f, 25 equals 3a. Example 2, C7 to 4b. C7, 4b, rightmost column, 7b, 7 to 11. We need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the left column, C. C becomes b. C, 1 equals 12, minus 1 equals 11 equals b. We borrow 16 to the right column. So we have 16 plus 7 minus b equals 23 minus 11 equals 12. 12 in hexadecimal is c. b to the power of 6. C7, 4b, c. Left column, b4. Remember, c became b because we borrowed. b4 equals 11 minus 4 equals 7. 7 in hexadecimal is 7. b to the power of 6. C7, 4b, 7c, result. C7-4b equals 7c. 3. Hexadecimal multiplication concept. Similar to decimal multiplication, multiply each digit of the second number by each digit of the first number. Remember to carry over when necessary in hexadecimal. Example 1. 12 by 3, 12. x3, rightmost column, 2 by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 in hexadecimal is 6. 12, x3, 6. Left column, 1 by 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 in hexadecimal is 3. 12, x3, 36. Result. 12 times 3 equals 36. Example 2 to 2, ax4. 2a, x4, rightmost column, ax4, a is 10. 10 times 4 equals 40. How many times does 16 go into 40? Twice. 2 times 16 equals 32. Remainder. 40 minus 32 equals 8. So ax4 equals 2, remainder 8. Write down 8 and carry over 2. Squared 2a, x4, 8. Left column, 2 by 4 plus carry over. 2 by 4 plus 2 equals 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 in hexadecimal is a. Squared 2a, x4, a8. Result. 2ax4 equals a8. Example 3 to 1 ax2b. More complex, showing intermediate steps. 1a, x2b, step 1. Multiply 1a by b. b equals 11 in decimal, rightmost, axb. a is 10, b is 11. 10 times 11 equals 110. How many times does 16 go into 110? 6 times. 6 times 16 equals 96. Remainder, 110 minus 96 equals 14. 14 in hexadecimal is e. So axb equals 6 remainder e. Write down e and carry over 6. To the power of 6 1a, x2b. Left column, 1xb plus carryover. 1xb plus 6 equals b, plus 6 equals 11, plus 6 equals 17. How many times does 16 go into 17? Once. 1 times 16 equals 16. Remainder. 17 minus 16 equals 1. So, 1xb plus 6 equals 1, remainder 1. Write down 11 hexadecimal. To the power of 6, 1a, x2b, 11e, result of 1axb. Step 2. Multiply 1a by 2 and shift 1 place to the left. Rightmost, ax2. a is 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. How many times does 16 go into 20? Once. 1 times 16 equals 16. Remainder. 20 minus 16 equals 4. So, ax2 equals 1 remainder 4. Write down 4 and carry over 1. 1a, x2b, e, 4. Shifted 1 place left. Left column 1 by 2 plus carryover. 1 by 2 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 in hexadecimal is 3. 1a, x2b, e, 34. Shifted 1 place left. Result of 1ax2 shifted, 340. Step 3. Add the partial products, 11e plus 340. 11e, 340. Rightmost, e plus 0. e, middle, 1 plus 4, 5. Leftmost, 1 plus 3, 4. 11e, 340. 45e, result. 1a x2b equals 45e. 4. Hexadecimal division concept. Long division, similar to decimal long division. Example 1 to 3c divided by 4. Convert to decimal for understanding, not necessary for hex division. 3c in hex equals 3 asterisk 16 plus 12 equals 48 plus 12 equals 60 in decimal. 4 in hex equals 4 in decimal. 60 divided by 4 equals 15 in decimal. 15 in decimal equals f in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal long division, directly in hex. Question mark. 4, 3c. How many times does 4 go into 3? 0 times. Consider the first 2 digits. 3c. How many times does 4 go into 3c? Think in hex. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 by 3 equals c. 12 in decimal. 4 times 4 equals 10. 16 in decimal. 4xf equals 3c. 4 times 15 equals 60 in decimal. This is it. F4, 3c, minus 3c, 0. Result. 3c divided by 4 equals f. Example 245e divided by 1a, using the result from multiplication. Example 3 as a check. We know from example 3 that 1ax2b equals 45e. So 45e divided by 1a should be 2b. Let's verify using long division, question mark. 1a, 45e. How many times does 1a go into 4? 0 times. Consider the first 2 digits, 45. How many times does 1a go into 45? Let's try to estimate. 1a is close to 20 in decimal, 16 plus 10. 45 is close to 69 in decimal, 4 asterisk 16 plus 5. Roughly 69 twentieths is around 3. Let's try 3 in hex. 1ax3 equals, ax3 equals 10 times 3 equals 30 equals 16 plus 14 equals 1e in hex, 1 carry e. Write e, carry 1. 1 by 3 plus carry 1 equals 4. So 1ax3 equals 4e. 4e is larger than 45 because e greater than 5 in the second digit position. So 3 is too large. Let's try 2 in hex. 1ax2 equals, ax2 equals 10 times 2 equals 20 equals 16 plus 4 equals 14 in hex. 1 carry, 4. Write 4, carry 1. 1 by 2 plus carry 1 equals 3. So 1ax, 2 equals 34. 34 is smaller than 45. So 2 is correct for the first digit of the quotient. 2, 1a, 45e, minus 34. Subtract 34 from 45. 45 minus 34 equals 11 in hex. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down the next digit e. 2, 1a, 45e, minus 34, 11e. Now, how many times does 1a go into 11e? Let's estimate. 1a is around 20 in decimal. 11e is around 1256 plus 116 plus 14 equals 286 in decimal. Roughly 286 twentieths is around 14 or 15. Let's try b, which is 11, and see if it's too small. Or try c, 12, if it's closer. Let's directly try b because we are expecting 2b as the answer. 1axb equals, we already calculated this in multiplication, example 3, and got 11e. Yes, 2b, 1a, 45e, minus 34, 11e, minus 11e, 0. Result, 45e divided by 1a equals 2b. This matches our expectation from the multiplication example, so it's correct. Key takeaways for hexadecimal arithmetic. Think in base 16. Remember that each position represents a power of 16, not 10, digits and letters. Use 0 to 9 and AF. Carry and borrow are in 16s. Carry over or borrow 16 when sums or differences exceed 15 or are negative. Practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with hexadecimal arithmetic. If you have specific hexadecimal numbers you want to perform these operations on, please provide them and I can work through the steps with you.